Hari Om, Namaskar. This is R. Raj, LIS Raj Ramchan, Insurance, Mutual Funds, Pension Funds Distributor from Chennai, India. Now, the main motto behind sending this video to you is to giving you an outline as to what exactly my team and me do in Chennai. We basically distribute financial products, namely pension funds, insurances, mutual funds. Yes, there are products like bank FDs, the PPFs, which middlemen like us have no role to play. There are banks and the Indian postal offices which give the products also. So we basically market uh, pension funds, direct equity investment, mutual funds, and insurances of all kind, life and general, right? Health, general, something to take care of a factory site in case of fire, everything. So during last 10 years, what we have learned is the best way to live, grow steadily and healthily in this financial product industry distributorship is to see to it the investor who comes in our journey, who all come on a journey, we make them financially literate. You see, this country has got good amount of literates, but the literates are financially illiterate because the various products, right from bank FD to the direct equity and mutual funds, all these products have their inbuilt plus and minus points. Every product is good in its own way. Only thing, you should pick the product which suits you and your end goal, right? Lot of sellers are helpless. They just dump product onto the buyers because of the commission they get, and the buyers not making scientific study of what has been given to them just by because the seller is known to you, a friend or a relation or whatever it is, right? So end of the journey, 10 years, 20 years down the line, they get to know that they probably bought a wrong product. So my team and me, when we go out to give the financial products to our investors, we don't market products for commissions alone. We see to the sellers become financially literate to understand the strengths of each financial product, namely insurance, pension fund, and mutual funds, so that he can pick and make the right asset allocation into various products suiting his journey, his end goal of life. So we passionately and successfully have sold because unlike the other sellers, unlike a lot of the other sellers, we sell products not for the commissions, but for the creating financial literacy among people. And secondly, we're in a journey to pull in a lot of foreign exchange for our country. Now, there are a lot of people watching me, established big businessmen, self-employed, these chartered accountants, the technocrats, the students who have a lot of free time, the housewives who could have some free time. Everybody, if you're interested, I'm giving an offer. You can invest. That's first offer, which I just told you. And the second offer is, why don't you join me and market these Indian financial products, the Indian insurances, the mutual funds, the direct equity to your people abroad where you're staying, and pull in a lot of foreign exchange in your mother country, India, on which we were all born. So if anybody is interested in both the offers or either of the two offers, kindly contact me on 95662 98973. I'm assuring you, your overseas contacts, when they invest into this great country of ours, they will not regret. They will be happy and they will definitely tell you that you link them to a good team like us. Now it's only words. Once you give us a business and your contacts, you will experience that what we say we do. Dhanyavad.